In 2025, making money without any experience is more accessible than ever. First up, consider online tutoring. With so many students needing help, you can leverage your knowledge in subjects you excel at. Next, think about dropshipping. You don't need to hold inventory, just set up an online store and let suppliers handle the rest. Freelancing is another great option. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer services like writing, graphic design, or social media management. If you have a knack for creativity, start a print-on-demand business. You design the graphics, and companies handle printing and shipping. Lastly, explore affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. With a little effort and creativity, you can turn these opportunities into a steady income stream. The key is to start today and keep learning as you go.